Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Pick 3 cotton balls, black and white felt, orange foam or paper, strong craft glue, and scissors. First, squash 1 cotton ball slightly for the base, 1 into a round chest, and a smaller one for the head. This creates stable proportions. Once done, attach chest to base with a dab of glue and press for a few seconds so fibers bond. Make sure to save the felt pieces nearby. You'll cut them in the next step. Now you add structure and contrast. Wrap a white felt oval around the chest, aligning the bottom edge with the base so the belly shows front and center. Then drape black felt over the back and sides, trimming a clean curve so the white belly remains visible. Glue in small, spaced dabs to avoid lumps. Once the head is firmly joined to the chest, press and hold. If needed, tuck a tiny cotton stub behind as a tail for balance. These steps give the penguin its classic silhouette. Finish the penguin by adding facial and footing details. Glue 2 small black felt circles for eyes, spacing them evenly above the beak zone so the face reads expression. Then glue an orange triangle beak centered under the eyes. For feet, shape 2 small orange pieces and angle slightly outward to help stand. Let the model dry for 20–30 minutes. If it tips or seams lift, make sure to reapply a tiny bead of glue or insert a thin wire pin inside.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.